Now, jury selection begins in a South Carolina trial that's getting attention all across the globe. Alec Murdaugh is standing trial for the murders of his wife and his son. It's a case that we've been following from the very beginning. Back in June of 2021, Taggart Houck is live in Colleton County today. Taggart, what are you seeing? What are you hearing?
Hey, Patrick, good afternoon. As you mentioned here, quite a scene. We have media outlets from all around the state as well as the country here in the town of Walterboro. Keep in mind, this is a town with a population of about 5,400 people. Much of the attention, though, at least from the media standpoint, was focused around 9 o'clock this morning, the moment when former South Carolina attorney Alec Murdaugh hopped out of that escort van that he was in and was directed into the courthouse. He had his sport coat appearing to be draped over his handcuffs. Murdaugh is accused of shooting and killing his son Paul and wife Maggie back in June of 2021. We did see this morning potential jurors lined up outside the courthouse. Selection is underway. 900 people, we are told, received summons to potentially serve as jurors. That, by the way, is 2% of the county's population. Although one big question surrounding this trial, once we do officially get underway, is whether or not Alec Murdaugh will testify in his own trial. It is something that even folks within the legal community have been talking about.
We know that the jury is going to want to hear from Alec Murdaugh. They are going to want him on the stand explaining whatever his alibi is. They're going to want to see his demeanor, read his emotions, and decide for themselves whether or not they believe that he killed his wife and son.
This is a courthouse, by the way, where Murdaugh has tried cases as an attorney, and for years, his family members have been solicitors in this area. Up until recently, by the way, his grandfather's photo was actually hanging in the courtroom here. That was ordered to be taken down by Judge Clifton Newman, who is presiding over this. We should also note that as jury selection is underway, we are monitoring this by audio stream. Judge Newman has allowed an audio feed during the time of jury selection. So we are going to continue monitoring that, and we'll bring you updates throughout the day on WYFF News 4. For now, though, in Colleton County, Taggart Houck, WYFF News 4.